In the world of unexplained phenomena lies the intriguing mystery of sound levitation, where acoustic waves defy gravity, allowing objects to float effortlessly in mid-air. By manipulating the properties of sound waves, specifically frequency and amplitude, scientists have achieved the seemingly magical feat of suspending particles, liquids, and even small objects in space. Picture a small droplet of water hanging still, surrounded by nothing but invisible waves of sonorous energy, or imagine tiny particles being steered and manipulated as if by an unseen hand. This apparent defiance of gravity has not only captivated researchers, but also opened potential avenues in material science, medicine, and beyond. As astounding as it may seem, sound levitation continues to be a testament to the profound mysteries and possibilities that the acoustical universe holds.